Hello, I'm Stephen Watson here at Anytime Fitness in North Madison, Connecticut with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Tip is a double entendre. It's designed to encourage you to accept the tips and include them in your practice, at least on occasion, but also to contribute financially, a tip. So today I had the exercise bike, and I thought it'd be kind of a fun practice, interesting, I find, particularly for people that are balance challenged, to work on the coordination of the steps with the particular moves in the practice. This is harder to do than it looks with slippers on. So trying to coordinate movements, for example, brush knee press, right, where I have a movement of the hips and the feet and the legs that is intended to coordinate with the upper body movement. So now I can focus on the coordination of those, which of course I don't quite have enough room because of the other exercise bikes to really do it well. But I can work on that coordination and really focus on my hips and my legs and how they coordinate with the upper body. But I don't have the challenge of running out of room, and I don't have the challenge of having to focus on where my feet go and what my balance is like. And for some people, that's a real challenge to have their balance addressed. We can certainly do that with rear going movements like repulse monkey, where I'm trying to coordinate how that would happen with my step backward and doing that. So nice fun practice, and that might prove fruitful to those of you with balance problems or those of you working with people with balance problems. So thank you as ever. You're very appreciated.
This QR code takes you to our link tree, which has all of our links, among them financial support links, which is certainly going to be very helpful. We appreciate your commenting, subscribing, linking, and going to Patreon.